NAM India. That means Nippon LIAM Limited. It is showing a very interesting cup and handle pattern. This is the cup, this is the handle. It has given a breakout in recent few days in spite of market showing weakness at a broader level, which is very interesting to observe and to learn. How far it is likely to go, we have to measure from the bottom of the cup till the top of the cup where it has broken out. So roughly 121 points it is showing. We have to keep it where the breakout has occurred, and we can draw a line here. So roughly a target of 663, around 22% in coming days based on that. Word of caution, if this breakout is not as it appears, there is a possibility that it might turn into a head and shoulder pattern. So this is a shoulder which has formed, this is head, one more shoulder might form, but the height of that shoulder will be greater than this, so it may form somewhere here. So initially for few days our stop should be somewhere with this measurement. So if this is a breakout, we have to calculate our risk management based on this gap, because this is likely to come and go if it turns around to be a head and shoulder. So we have to keep a patience, let it play out, whether it's a breakout or turnaround, we have to see. So taking trade, this much has to be in the allowance of risk management. Again, disclaimer, this is an educational video. This disclaimer before I go to the monthly chart of the same stock. So this is a disclaimer, this is an educational video, not a trading advice. Please analyze, learn and take your trades once you are confident going forward. Stop loss is the height of this cup. The stop loss is always the height of this cup. If you are Ichimoku, using Ichimoku will give you a clear-cut indication for trailing stop. So that is how we can use it. Now, coming to a very, very interesting aspect. So we just zoom out from this picture. We go from daily. I'll just remove the daily lines. You can note it down later so that there is less of a clutter. Now, if we go back, let's zoom out to the weekly chart, weekly to the monthly chart. Very, very interesting observation. Observation is like this. The price is moving in a channel. So it went up, went down, went up, went down, went up. It is somewhere here. Because of the daily chart, this cup and handle you will see. Now, if you see this is channel, this is the line of the channel. I'll delete this also for the moment. This we can be, let it be, okay. So here we can see this month, April month, it is moving, breaking out the channel for the second time. First time it tried somewhere in January, retraced back. Second time it is now trying in April. In case it is successful to break the channel, this is the channel. This line and this line is a channel going parallelly. The price is bouncing between the channel. Now, if the price is able to convincingly close above the channel on a monthly chart, then as per channel theory, it goes and starts bouncing in the next level of channel, which is same as the width of this channel. So if we see the width of this channel, roughly around 291 points. After it breaks and it goes, it will start moving in the next level of channel. So right now, after seeing this channel, we can assume that there is a possibility of price, if it closes convincingly above this channel by end of April month, then there are high probability that gradually it will go till 817 next one year or so, something like that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thinking about it itself is making me excited. So hope you enjoyed the video. You liked the channel pattern which I have shared after a long time. So enjoy watching, enjoy learning the videos which I share and the knowledge I share. Always follow risk management, money management under a able guidance of your advisor. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.